Washington and the entire country are now in a fall surge of coronavirus cases. 15 of Washington's 39 counties are reaching or passing peak levels of new COVID-19 cases.
Spokane is one of those counties with another 102 people testing positive today. 2 more people have also died. Mayor, what does this mean for the county as we head into flu season?
Well, it's really concerning just all around. The Department of Health had its weekly briefing with reporters today, and put it simply, there is just not much good news about COVID-19 in Washington or the entire U.S. right now. And you can see that right here. 4 of the last 8 days in Spokane County with more than 100 new cases reported. That just does not bode well for the next few weeks.
The weather is changing and more people are spending time inside. That's bad news for COVID-19. That's part of the reason why Spokane's rate of new cases is at a record high. In fact, there have been more than 1,300 people who have tested positive for the virus just over the last 14 days. And the message from health experts remains the same. Mask up, distance, wash your hands, and avoid gatherings.
All of that stuff still is the only way that we can really try to get a handle on this.
This becomes even more critical as flu season begins. There's also serious concerns surrounding upcoming holidays like Halloween and Thanksgiving.
I would strongly discourage people inviting their cousins, their brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles and grandparents from afar.
The CDC says about 40 to 45% of Americans have a condition that puts them at risk of COVID-19. We also know about 40% of those infected with the virus are not symptomatic.
So you truly don't know who has it, and unknowingly they can transmit it to anyone.
It's not all bad news. A report from NPR shows COVID-19 may not be spreading as much between kids that are learning in schools. Dr. Bob Lutz says that's happening locally too.
We're not seeing significant spread or the degree of spread that we thought we may have seen. We are seeing more times than not cases that come into the school more so than transmission within the school. And
I'm also told long-term care facilities have been the only consistent outbreak health officials are seeing here in Spokane. People in those facilities make up 119 of the county's 188 deaths to this point. Other than that, cases are popping up in workplaces, colleges, retail stores, and those small gatherings.